Namaste, everyone. Welcome to Code Trade Academy. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important decisions you'll make as a developer. Choosing the right database for your project. Just like how a builder needs the right tools to construct a house, a developer needs the right database to store and manage their data. SQL and NoSQL are two popular options. But which one is right for you? In this video, we'll explore the differences between these two databases and provide you with the KN. So, let's start with the basics. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is a language used to manage relational databases. These databases store data in tables, with each table having rows and columns. It's like a big spreadsheet. NoSQL databases, on the other hand, store data in a variety of formats, such as key-value pairs, documents, or graphs. They're like a big filing cabinet, where you can store all sorts of documents and files. Now, you might be wondering, what's the difference between these? Now, let's dive deeper into the world of SQL and NoSQL databases. In SQL databases, we have concepts like normalization, denormalization, and indexing. Normalization is like cleaning up your room, where you organize your data into separate tables to reduce redundancy. Denormalization is like making a copy of your favorite book, where you duplicate data to improve performance. Indexing is like creating a table of contents, where you create a shortcut to quickly access your data. In NoSQL database, let's take a look at a real-world example. Suppose we're building a social media platform, and we need to store user data, post data, and comment data. We can use a SQL database like MySQL to store this data in separate tables. Here's an example of how we can create these tables using MySQL. Create table users. Int primary key. Name varchar 255. Email varchar 255. Create table posts. Int primary key. User underscore int. Content text. Create table comments. Int primary key. Post underscore int. Use. Now, let's talk about some pro tips for using SQL and NoSQL databases. When using SQL databases, make sure to use indexing to improve query performance. Also, use transactions to ensure data consistency and integrity. When using NoSQL databases, make sure to use data modeling to design your data structure. Also, use caching to improve performance and reduce latency. Here's an example of how we can use indexing in SQL. Create index IDX underscore user underscore id on posts. User underscore id. And here's an example of how we see. And that's it, everyone. I hope you now have a better understanding of SQL and NoSQL databases and how to choose the right one for your project. Remember, it's all about scalability, flexibility, and performance. Don't be afraid to experiment and try out different databases to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching at Code Trade Academy, and we'll see you in the next video.